beautiful market town. Quite simply, wrong place, wrong time, right person. The volunteers, men and women of the Royal National Lifeboat Institution do not choose when to save lives. Whether a scorchingly sunny summer's day or a wickedly windy winter's night, they answer the call. This morning until 12:30, you can support them by attending the coffee morning at the parish centre, Plymouth Road. Remember, the life they save could be dear to you. In other news, tomorrow marks the 49th Church Bazaar in the Town Hall with all the usual suspects. Many shops are open late tomorrow night to celebrate the switching on of the Christmas lights at 5:45. God save the Queen! No problem, sir.